Georgia, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the garden because we're going to do some cute spring Easter DIYs. I've got some wooden eggs that I'm going to paint Disney characters onto. I've got a cute faux leather bag that I'm going to do some painting on, and I'm going to make some floral Disney ears. Let's get on to the video. So for this first DIY, you're going to need some acrylic paints. I just picked these up from Hobbycraft, and there's loads of different colours in them, and I'll link them down below. You'll also need some sliced wooden eggs. I also picked these up from Hobbycraft. Some pencils to draw designs on your eggs. Some paintbrushes. And some ideas. So I just found these on Pinterest. These are like little Disney flags, and I just thought they'd look really cute. So I'm just going to use that for my inspiration. The first egg that I'm going to do is Sully, so I'm just mixing the colours together to try and get the colour of him, get the shade right, and I'm going to use that for his egg and for my up-inspired egg as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and stay tuned to the end for some really funny bloopers.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
So here is some of the eggs that we created, and I'll show you the rest of them at the end of the video. So for the next video, we're going to make some Disney floral ears. I just picked up this headband from B&M, and it was really cheap. I'll link everything down below for you guys. I also picked up this really cute bow. This is from Claire's. And I also got these daisies, and these were also from Claire's. And I also got some other flowers to make these ears interchangeable. You're also going to need some scissors and some kind of wire and wire cutters. So the first thing you're going to want to do with this is to take any unnecessary things off your headband. So I don't want this beading on there, so I'm just going to cut that off. If you don't like the fabric that's on there, you could take that off and put a new fabric on it, or just have it plain. So once you've cut everything off, you're going to get your bow and just clip it onto the top knot. So if you get a headband with a top knot on, this is going to be really useful, because then you can make the bow interchangeable if it's got a crocodile clip on the back. The next thing you're going to do is cut 2 pieces of wire. So I've just got this pink wire. I think we picked this up on eBay. And you're just going to shape this into like a little ear kind of shape. And the idea is that you can clip your flowers onto this, and then this will attach to the headband. So you're just going to take the wire and mould it however you think fits best. So I just played around with this until I liked the position that it was in, and then once that's in, you just wrap it tightly round, and this sits really comfortable on your head as well. You don't even feel the wire. Once you've done one side, I just then tried to match it up so it was even the other side as well. If you don't like where it's positioned or how it's sitting, you can always just get your wire cutters and use them as pliers and just peel the wire back and just reposition it. Because once you push it down, it is quite hard to unfold again. So it's handy to have them there, and then you can just re-wrap that round. And once you're happy with it, that's the finished look. You can then get some different flowers. So I picked up some sunflowers and some of these pink flowers as well, and then I just changed out the flowers. You can change out the bow to create whatever kind of floral mini ears that you would like. Stay tuned to the end to see what these look like on. So this next DIY is a spring wreath, and you're going to need a wreath, a glue stick, some sort of floral arrangement or flowers. I picked up these little diamante flowers in pink from Hobbycraft. I also got the wreath from Hobbycraft as well. You're going to need some kind of paper. I chose some like pastel coloured paper. I chose it in pink and green, and I just thought these were going to add a little subtle touch to my wreath. I'm going to do this by using these Mickey cutters, and I just thought this would add a really nice hidden Mickey to the wreath, and it would just be a subtle touch of Disney. I'm going to use this small cutter just because I think this will be the best size, and it will just be very subtle and sweet and cute. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut the stems off your flowers. So mine had really long wiry stems on them, and they were really difficult to cut, but once I got through the first couple, it was a lot easier. And you're going to want to leave a little bit on the back, just so you've got enough to stick into the wreath. So you're going to put the glue onto the stem that you've got left and just push that into the green part of the wreath.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Once I've got all that stuck down, and I'm going to take my pastel paper. So I'm going to use the green first, and I'm just going to cut out about 6 of these little Mickey shapes. I just think they're really, really sweet and cute. I'm going to get a pair of tweezers because they're so small. It's going to be really difficult to put the glue on otherwise. And then I'm just going to dot them around the wreath wherever I think they might look nice. So I'm just going to keep putting them on in different places, and I just think they look really sweet and really cute. And then I'm going to cut out about 6 or 7 of the pink ones, and I'm just going to dot them around as well. And I just think they add a really nice subtle touch of Disney. So this is the finished wreath. It seriously gives me Sleeping Beauty vibes. I just love it so much. I think it looks so simplistic but really pretty. So for this next DIY, I'm going to do a painted faux leather bag. And this one is just a black faux leather bag from Misguided, and I'll link it down below if I can find it. I just really like this. I thought it was a nice classy bag for any time of year. You're also going to need some paintbrushes. I picked these up from Hobbycraft, and some acrylic paint. And I also picked these up from Hobbycraft, and I have them in white and in yellow for my daisies. If you've got any kind of stuffing, put that inside the bag. It's going to make it a lot easier to paint on. And then all I'm going to do is, for the very first daisy, I'm going to put that in the centre of the bag, so the centre of where it folds up. And that way you're going to be able to space them out nice and evenly along the edges from that centre daisy. So I'm just going to paint this on. All I've done is just use little tiny strokes to create the petals, and it was really, really easy to do. So this is what my first daisy looks like, and then I'm going to try and figure out how I'm going to space it up the sides. I'm then going to take the yellow and just do the centre of all the rest of the daisies, just so I can get them evenly spaced out and so that they don't merge into each other.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So this is the final result. I'm really happy with how it came out. I just think it looks really like dainty and delicate and really sweet, and I just think it's perfect for summer.
I'll never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see any more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh god, it's stuck. Oh god. It's stuck. Nice. I can't see anything.